Have you ever wondered what goes on in Taylor Swift's kitchen? What are her go-to recipes for staying healthy and satisfied while on tour or in the studio? Join us on a culinary adventure as we uncover Taylor Swift's favorite healthy recipes and learn how to whip up some delicious dishes fit for a pop superstar. Hey there, foodies and Swifties alike. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're stepping into the world of celebrity cooking to explore none other than the kitchen of the one and only Taylor Swift. We all know her as a musical powerhouse, but did you know she's also a culinary enthusiast? So grab your apron and let's get cooking with Taylor. Taylor Swift's love for cooking runs deep. Whether she's whipping up a quick and healthy meal for herself or hosting a dinner party for her closest friends, Taylor's kitchen is always filled with laughter, love, and delicious aromas. But what exactly does Taylor Swift like to cook? Let's flip through the pages of her cookbook and uncover some of her favorite recipes. Taylor is a big fan of simple, nutritious meals that are easy to prepare and packed with flavor. She loves experimenting with fresh ingredients and putting her own spin on classic dishes. Salads are a staple in Taylor's diet. She loves to load up her plate with a variety of greens, vegetables, and protein-rich toppings for a satisfying and nutrient-packed meal. But it's not just about salads for Taylor. She's also a big fan of comforting soups and stews, especially during the colder months. When it comes to snacks, Taylor likes to keep it simple and wholesome. She enjoys making her own granola bars filled with nutritious ingredients to fuel her energy throughout the day. Taylor's love for cooking is profound. Her kitchen, whether she's preparing a quick, healthy meal or hosting a dinner party, is always filled with laughter, love, and enticing aromas. But what exactly does Taylor Swift like to cook? Let's delve into her cookbook and discover some of her favorite recipes. Taylor is a fan of simple, nutritious meals that are easy to prepare and bursting with flavor. She enjoys experimenting with fresh ingredients and adding her unique twist to classic dishes. Salads are a staple in Taylor's diet. She loves filling her plate with a variety of greens, vegetables, and protein-rich toppings for a satisfying and nutrient-packed meal. But Taylor's culinary repertoire extends beyond salads. She's also a big fan of comforting soups and stews, particularly during the colder months. When it comes to snacks, Taylor prefers simplicity and wholesomeness. She enjoys making her own granola bars packed with nutritious ingredients to fuel her energy throughout the day. So, what can we learn from Taylor Swift's approach to cooking? It's all about embracing fresh seasonal ingredients and having fun in the kitchen. Here are some expert tips inspired by Taylor's cooking philosophy. Expert number 1. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different flavors and textures. Cooking is an art, and the kitchen is your canvas. Feel free to mix and match ingredients, try out new spices, and reinvent traditional recipes. Remember, the best dishes often come from bold culinary experiments. Expert number 2. Savor your meals and enjoy the process of cooking. Cooking isn't just about feeding your body, it's also about nourishing your soul. Take the time to appreciate the vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and diverse textures of your ingredients. Enjoy the rhythmic dance of chopping, stirring, and sautéing. And most importantly, savor each bite of your meal, appreciating the symphony of flavors on your palate. Expert number 3. Balance is key. While it's important to enjoy your food, it's equally important to maintain a balanced diet. Taylor's meals are a testament to this balance. They're packed with nutrients, visually appealing, and incredibly tasty. So, when you're planning your meals, aim for a balance of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. And remember to include plenty of fruits and vegetables for added fiber and essential vitamins. Expert number 4. Stay hydrated. Taylor is known for her glowing skin, and one of her secrets is staying well hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins, aids digestion, and keeps your skin looking fresh and radiant. So, keep a water bottle handy and sip throughout the day. You can also hydrate with healthy beverages like herbal teas, fresh fruit juices, and smoothies. Expert number 5. Listen to your body. Everyone's nutritional needs are different, and what works for Taylor might not work for you. Pay attention to how your body responds to different foods and adjust your diet accordingly. If a particular food makes you feel sluggish or uncomfortable, it's okay to skip it. Remember, the goal is to nourish your body and feel your best. Taylor Swift has shared glimpses into her diet and fitness routines in various interviews, but it's important to note that she's not a certified nutritionist or health professional. Her approach emphasizes balance and not denying herself the food she loves. Here are a few key points she's mentioned. Hydration. Taylor has emphasized the importance of staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is a simple yet effective way to maintain good health. Balance. She believes in a balanced diet without cutting out any food groups entirely. Taylor has mentioned enjoying indulgent foods like burgers and cookies in moderation, while also incorporating plenty of fruits and vegetables into her meals. No strict diets. Taylor is not a fan of strict dieting. She prefers to listen to her body and eat what makes her feel good, rather than following rigid diet plans. Home-cooked meals. When possible, Taylor prefers cooking at home. Cooking for yourself can be a healthier option since you control the ingredients and portion sizes. Exercise. While not directly related to nutrition, Taylor has shared that staying active is part of her approach to overall health. She enjoys activities like walking, hiking, and doing cardio workouts. Remember, what works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to find a diet and lifestyle that suits your individual needs and preferences, and consulting with a healthcare professional is always a good idea when making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. Taylor Swift has shared that she enjoys baking and cooking, especially when hosting friends and parties. One of her well-known favorites to make and serve is homemade chocolate chip cookies. She's also mentioned baking other treats like pumpkin bread, and has a fondness for making comfort foods. Her chocolate chip cookies, in particular, have been highlighted in interviews and on social media, suggesting they're a hit among her friends and guests. While the exact recipe Taylor uses isn't publicly detailed by her, fans and food bloggers have created their versions inspired by what they imagine Swift might use, often focusing on classic, rich, and comforting recipes that embody the warmth and hospitality she's known for. Taylor's approach to food and entertaining emphasizes the joy of sharing good food with loved ones, creating a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Whether it's cookies, cakes, or a homemade meal, the emphasis is on the care and love put into the preparation. She has shared in various interviews that she likes to keep her pre-concert meal light. She's mentioned enjoying a salad and some sliced chicken as her go-to meal before hitting the stage. This choice reflects a preference for something nutritious and energizing, yet not too heavy, to keep her feeling comfortable and agile during her performance. Staying hydrated is also a crucial part of her routine, and she's known to drink a lot of water before her shows to ensure she stays hydrated throughout the performance. Keeping meals light and staying hydrated are common strategies among performers to maintain energy and prevent any discomfort while on stage. So, there you have it. A glimpse into Taylor Swift's kitchen and her favorite healthy recipes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, we hope you're inspired to whip up some delicious dishes and share them with your loved ones. Remember, cooking is a journey, and every meal is an opportunity to learn, experiment, and create something wonderful. And that's a wrap, folks. We've journeyed through the culinary world of Taylor Swift, uncovering her favorite healthy recipes and gaining insights from experts along the way. We hope you're leaving with not just a list of recipes, but also a newfound appreciation for the art of cooking. Remember, every time you step into the kitchen, you're not just preparing a meal, you're creating a masterpiece. So, don't be afraid to experiment, have fun, and most importantly, savor every moment. We can't wait to see what delicious dishes you whip up inspired by Taylor's favorites. Don't forget to share your culinary creations with us. After all, cooking is all about sharing the love. Thank you for joining us on this exciting culinary adventure. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Until next time, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and keep shining. Stay fabulous, foodies and Swifties. And remember, as Taylor Swift would say, life isn't about surviving the storm, it's about learning to dance in the rain. So dance in your kitchen, create your storm of flavors, and enjoy the rhythm of cooking. Happy cooking, everyone!